Okay, so we moved over to the other side to get the motor mount out. I mean, this one will cooperate a little bit more, but basically what we're doing is putting this pry bar into the large round part of the motor mount, put a little pressure against it to make it not spin while you're ratcheting it. The other side has a heat shield on it because the exhaust system's on that side, so we'll have to remove the heat shield and then do the same thing. This one doesn't have the exhaust system on this side, so there's no heat shield to deal with. Makes it easier. Also makes the motor mounts last long. This motor mount might actually still be good. We'll know once we get the cross member off. It's not loose yet. Go. One side done.